Right, here's a really quick short crust pastry recipe for you. What you're going to need is 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, a pinch of salt, and we're just going to rub that in. So when you get to this sort of consistency, you can see it's coming together. You might need to add just a splash of water just to bring it together. So when you've got it to this stage, if you're going to use it soon, you need to cling film it and just stick it in the fridge for 20 minutes just to rest and relax. Or you can keep it in the fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for 3 months.